Today I'll show you exactly how to manage notification preferences in the OneDrive mobile app so you're always in control of when and why your phone buzzes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fine-tune what OneDrive alerts you about, as well as the way those alerts appear on your device. Let's dive in and take charge of your notification sanity. First, let's look at how you can adjust notification settings right within the OneDrive app itself. Maybe you're tired of every little update pinging your phone, or you'd rather not miss important alerts when someone shares a file. Don't worry, OneDrive gives you pretty granular control. Start by opening the OneDrive app. Look for your profile picture. Sometimes it's in the top left corner, or on some phones, it might appear as the Me icon at the bottom right. Tap that and you'll open your account menu. Next, from the menu that pops up, select Settings. This will open up a whole array of preferences you can customize. From here, tap Notifications. Now you'll see a list of different notification types, each with a simple on-off toggle. Let's talk through what each one means so you're making the choices that fit your workflow. For example, the shared files notification is handy if you collaborate a lot. It'll ping you whenever someone shares a file with you, or even if they make changes to a file you've shared. If you're working on a group project or you need to respond quickly to file updates, leaving this on can really save your bacon. But if you don't want a flood of messages for every edit, you may want to switch this off. Then there's Memories. You might have seen these pop up as on this day notifications, showing you photos or documents you added years ago. Think of these like a digital scrapbook. If you love that little nostalgia hit, keep it on. If you find it distracting, just flip the toggle and enjoy peace instead. Another big one, large deletions. OneDrive will alert you if a significant number of files get deleted all at once. The idea here is to help prevent catastrophic mistakes. Think of this as your safety net, a quick nudge if you or anyone else accidentally wipes out a batch of important stuff. Most folks prefer to leave this one enabled just for peace of mind. Remember, any changes you make here take effect right away. There's no need to restart the app or save, just flick those toggles as you like. But what if you want even more control? You can also adjust how OneDrive notifications behave at the system level through your phone's own notification settings. For Android users, this is super straightforward. Head to your phone's main settings, then tap on Apps, scroll until you find OneDrive and select Notifications. Here you'll see more options. Maybe you want those notifications to show up silently, just as banners with or without sound or vibration, or you might want to block them entirely. For instance, if you're headed into a meeting or just need total focus, you can temporarily disable notifications altogether, then flip them back on later. If you're ever unsure, don't worry, no change is permanent. You can always come back to either the OneDrive app or your phone system settings and tweak things as your needs change. Take a moment to explore and get comfortable. That's it. You're now in the driver's seat when it comes to OneDrive notifications on your mobile device. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another app you'd like to see covered. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.